Kenya is a COVID-free area.
Jopuonjre mag skunde sekondar ojiw mondo oyier timo kos mar wuodhe mar ndeke kata obedni nengo puonjre ni malo. Kane oloso gi jopuonjre matimo kosno e sikund sekondar ma Mangu, jakom riwruok mar AKEF nosingo kendo kowacho ni giseketo sei mar mowinjore kod mbalariany mar Ethiopia kod PAU ndekegi mondo okony jopuonjre ma Kenya osoma mapiyo. Keto nomedo wacho ni jipo dwarore mar nengo kosno ka kosno iwacho ni nengo ni malo. Winjruok mantiere e kind Kenya kod Ethiopia biro yawo thuolo mag puonj e nengo mani piny. Bende nokwayo jotich mag wuodhe ndege mondo osir jopuonjre mabiro yudo tije makamago.
We encourage students to take aviation. It is doable if they cover up their syllabus very well and their teachers take them through hands-on training for practicals, then it would be okay for them and the future is bright for students who take aviation. What we'd like the government to do is to identify a few aviation schools in the Republic so that they can be given the proper support.
We would want to have the modern equipments that are required in aviation as a subject, because it is a challenge, because most of the apparatus that are used in the aviation lab are just very old, archaic, and I may not be able to cope up with the development in technology that we are witnessing today.
Ours basically is to promote goodwill between Kenya and Ethiopia. We are working very closely with the Ethiopian community, and recently, through the support of both Ethiopian Airlines and Ethiopian government, we have already signed an MOU with the Ethiopian Aviation University. And I'm made to understand that is the only university of its kind in Africa, which is an aviation. We went into partnership with them for the purpose of giving us a very special package to enable any of our students that may want to go for further studies or to be trained as a